I'm going to show you a quick hack quickly that we've also picked up on YouTube. Is toothpaste, bicarb of soda, and a toothbrush. We'll do this first, and then we'll move to the restoration side. And of course our hydration. It's very hot today, so we need to stay hydrated. Just take some toothpaste, pop it in your hand. Some of you might not like to do the toothpaste in your hand. And then some bicarb as well. And then you mix it. And then you rub it onto the light. Okay. See, nice, it makes it nice and rough. Okay, and you can take a toothbrush. We're obviously using only the best quality Witteberg water here to do this with today. And then you just do circular movements on this. And you can go and go and go. The more circular you make them with the bicarb, it's the thing that takes the roughage away, because your light gets, it removes all that dead plastic that's there. So we're going to do the one light with this, and the other light we're going to do with the kit, just to show you that you've got 2 different ways that you can do this. Preferably do this before you wash your car, because if there's any residue of that's left after you are done with this, then you can somehow wash it off. We just wipe the car down because it's going to go for a wash now, but we wanted to do the lights first. Okay, you can just take some water and a wet cloth, just wipe it down. Obviously you need to get the residual toothpaste and stuff off. And you can see there's an immediate change immediately on the light. You can start seeing the lenses better already. So that's just a quick hack that we picked up on YouTube, and we'll put the link in from the guys that we saw it from, tested it, and it actually works. You can keep on doing it every month, and it will help to keep your headlight nice and clear. So now we're doing the shield headlamp restore kit, and we're going to start by using this fine, 1200. I'm just working it in. You can see immediately there's residue coming off immediately. It was so fine, we didn't think it would make any difference. But clearly it removes all the old plastic that's on the headlamp. The roughage that's usually on there, that's what makes it lose that clarity. There's a plus minus a teaspoon. Let's see if we can. I think that's a teaspoon. And now we're going to put it on the headlamp. See what happens. That's too much.